Hi Jay, this is your client advisor calling from Louis Vuitton. Just to let you know that your order is ready to collect and you can collect it in store in person. Hell no, I'm over the moon and excited. I have no clue what to say. Hello Lux family, it's your boy Jay. You've probably seen the intro and believe me, I can't express to the Lux family how excited I am to show this piece to you lot. It is so beautiful. Pictures don't do it justice, videos don't do it justice. Just seeing this item in store, in person, you just want to scream, because that's what I done when the guy took it out of the dust bag and I literally stood there like, wow, this is beautiful. Yeah, if you head over to my Instagram, I'm gonna put some pictures up. Yeah, I just literally just carry on watching the video. I don't even know what to say because it's so beautiful. I just wanted to add a note is I actually wanted to get the pastel collection in this particular item I'm going to show you, but I just felt like there was too much going on in that collection and it wasn't for me. But this one came at the right time. It literally just blew me away because it's just everything I want. I'm telling you that for now. We're going to unbox this item. And since I saw it at the LV store, I haven't touched it. So I'm literally shivering right now and shaking to show you lot. So it's going to be kind of like a first impression as well for me. I saw it and I was like to my essay, just put it back in the bag because I don't want to look at it because it's just beautiful. He was like, oh my god, everyone was going crazy looking at it. The manager came over and says, whose bag is that? I'm jealous. And I was like, well, I'm jealous too because it's not in my hands at the moment. And I was just like, just put it away please, because I spent all my coin on it and I can just literally, all my coin is sitting right there on the table. I just had no words. I was just like, put it away. Just put it away please. I don't want to look at it. Anyway, going off the topic, yeah, I spent all my coin on this item and I'm here to show you lot. This might be my last Louis Vuitton item if you watch my last video. So just stay tuned and watch the whole of the video because I'm going to unbox it just for you lot. If you haven't already, please remember to subscribe, like and comment down below. It means so much to me. Follow me over on my Instagram where there's plenty of pictures of my luxury items behind that I have. And let's get cracking. I mean, here we have it. The huge orange box that everyone wants to walk around in. And guess what? For the first time ever, I got to walk around with this huge bag and I got all them looks. As conceited as it may sound, I loved it. And I'm sure you lot will love it as well. And yeah, I got the looks. Just what everyone is like about, innit? I guess. Anyway, it got too heavy. I had to get my friend to carry it for me because I was like, I'm done with this life. I ain't about carrying anything. You can carry it for me. I ain't about that. So let's get on with it. This box is different from the other. It's actually a handle. So it's like a carrier bag all in one basically. And it's got a magnetic flip here. This is like an unboxing of a Louis Vuitton box, if that makes sense. Anyway, sorry, a review of a Louis Vuitton box. I've never had one of these before and I'm sure everyone else is interested as well, but these are really nice. I mean, like, can you actually go on an airplane with this? Like a suitcase? I would love to do that. So it's got a strong magnetic opening. Oh my god, it's getting too heavy. Literally, I am about to struggle. Anyway, we need to be serious in this video. I can't throw this box like I usually do. So I'm just gonna lay it down over here. Some way or another. Stay there. Okay. This is the size of it. Comes in a lovely dust bag. I spent all my coin on it and believe me, I mean all my coin. And it's worth every single penny. Comes with a nice dust bag and let's just get into it because that's what everyone came here for. No one came here to see an unboxing of a box or a dust bag or review. We just came here to see this beautiful item from Louis Vuitton. And yes, if I can get it out, it is the beautiful Keepall in the 50. Look how beautiful that is. Like, I can't describe how colourful this is and vibrant. It's so lovely, so nice. Sorry, it's so lovely, so nice, and I can't believe I actually have this in my hand. This was actually a special purchase. I just felt like this is me all over, like a bombshell, literally, and I'm loving it. I want to give you a close-up like always. This is the Keepall and it is in the size 50, and I can't even get it in the camera. Look how lovely it is. The colours, I just can't explain to you. It's just so vibrant. It's in the Arctic white and it's got a Louis Vuitton print. You can see just inside. I might get drained out from the white, but white handles, white background, and a bombshell of Louis Vuitton patterns. Beautiful for sure. Comes with a luggage tag, a strap as well, which attaches over here. It's got no feet under the bottom, unfortunately, and a nice, well, I was gonna say gold, but silver hardware. Just want to show you the silver hardware. Fresh, fresh. This is all fresh. I had to literally stay in there and like look over everything, make sure it was all in perfect order and made well, because I was like, I'm not spending all my coin and there's some damage to this because it will be going straight back. I can't be having that. Now, the inside, let me show the Lux family the inside of it, because when I saw the inside I was like, oh my god, really? Like, I didn't think it would be that lovely, and I hope it shows in the actual camera over video. Let's see. Look at the blue. It's like ocean blue. It's literally drained out, but the blue is so deep, so lovely, and so rich in color. It's like the contrast of this. It's got an actual zipper here. What else does it come with? It comes with a nice strap. I'm not going to do no mod shots in this video of the Keepall bag, but I will in my next video when I do an actual review on it. And what else does it come with? Oh, this is to keep the handles together. Let me show you the bag as well, because everyone wants to see that. I can't remember if I got this in my other Keepall, but definitely got that. And a padlock. Let me just put the bag there, and let me just show the Lux family the padlock. Dropping everything already, per usual. Let me just get this out. Nice shiny silver Louis Vuitton, and it has a key inside. Now, I'm not fussed about that because I don't really lock my stuff up. I don't really want to lock my snacks up, that's for sure. Imagine trying to get to my snacks in an emergency and I've got to find the key. I ain't about that life. Comes with a little, one of them little sticker things, or whatever you call it. But yeah. I'm living for this watercolor bag collection. Now, I was thinking, let me get the pocket organizer, and then I was like, you know what the hell, let me just spend all my coin and get this bag, because imagine walking down the street with this. Like, look at it, it's just so lovely. I can't get over this. The vibrant colors, I keep saying, is beautiful. This cost me just a little over £2,000. But the pocket organizers now, they're going for nearly like £400, and I was like, really? Like, they're getting expensive, and I just feel like the SLGs from Louis Vuitton are just like on a whole nother level of expensive now. But that's for another video. We're here for the bag. The beautiful bag. I'm so excited. I really appreciate this bag, and I hope I will actually end up using this, because it's such a statement piece from the collection, and I think this is far better than the pastel collection because it's just so beautiful, and I'm just so happy to have it in my hands and to show you lot. So I'm gonna end it there with the video. I hope you really loved the unboxing that I've just done for the Lux family, and I will shortly be doing a review on this. Comment down below of what you like to see in the review and what stuff you like to fit in there as well. This is the size 50 Keepall from the watercolor collection, 2021 collection I should say, and yeah, I'm in love with it. I hope you really enjoyed the video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, comment down below, hit the like button, and head over to my Instagram. Remember to stay tuned for more videos. Also, to stay safe. Peace.